Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu'alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. All praise due to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, the Lord of all creation, who granted us the opportunity to live in His life with His mercy and guidance. In the midst of various trials and tests, Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala continuously provides ease for His servant. And today, let us discuss the understanding of fidyah, an important concept in Islam that involves obligation to pay compensation if someone is unable to fulfill certain religious duties. But first of all, we must know that what is fidyah? The understanding of fidyah is a form of substitute obligation for those who are unable to perform acts of worship, such as fasting or other obligatory rituals in Islam, such as prayer or haji. The concept of fidyah itself provides relief for individuals who, due to certain condition, like health reason or cannot fulfill their religious obligation. Next was the basis of fidyah in Islam. The laws regarding fidyah are found in the Quran and the sayings of the Prophet Muhammad SAW. Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala states in Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 184, that says, "So whoever among you is ill or in a journey during them, then an equal number of other days are to be made up. And upon those who are able to fast but with hardship, a ransom as substitute by feeding a poor person each day." This indicates that those who are unable to fast due to illness or travel are obligated to make up for the missed days or pay fidyah. And then, what about the amount of fidyah and its payment method? The amount of fidyah to be paid is equivalent to the cost of basic food consumed by the local population for 1 day of fasting. And the payment, for the payment itself, that takes a various form, either by providing relief for eligible recipient, or by contributing to institute that distribute food to those in need. So, by comprehending the concept of fidyah, we can fulfill our religious obligation more effectively according to our capabilities and seriousness. May Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala continually provide ease and guidance to us performing His worship. Amin ya Rabbal Alamin. That's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamu'alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.